Did you know that your gut is often referred to as your second brain? Intrigued much? Ever wondered why gut health matters so much to your overall well-being? Well, the gut is like a bustling city with trillions of bacteria working diligently, playing a crucial role in your health. A healthy gut doesn't just ensure smooth digestion, it's also your immune system's best friend, helping to fend off illnesses. But that's not all, it even acts as a mood enhancer, contributing to your overall happiness. Are you ready to discover the top 5 foods that can help you maintain a healthy gut? Starting our countdown with number 5, we have yogurt. Fun fact, you know that yogurt has been consumed by humans for hundreds of years and was likely discovered by accident? This creamy delight isn't just a tasty treat, but it's also packed with probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that play a vital role in maintaining a healthy balance in our gut. They help to keep the digestive system functioning smoothly and can aid in reducing bloating, constipation, other digestive discomforts. But here's the catch. Not all yogurts are created equal. When shopping for yogurt, look for those that boast of live and active cultures. These contain the probiotics that give yogurt its gut-friendly punch. So whether it's for breakfast or a midday snack, don't forget to include some yogurt in your diet for that gut-friendly boost. Moving on to number 4, the sweet and juicy blueberries make the list. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that blueberries are one of the only natural foods that are truly blue in color? These little bursts of flavor are not just delectable, but they come with a plethora of health benefits, especially for our guts. Packed to the brim with antioxidants, blueberries are nature's little soldiers against inflammation. These antioxidants, known as anthocyanins, give blueberries their distinctive deep blue color. They wage a silent war against harmful free radicals in our bodies, reducing inflammation and damage to our cells. But what does this have to do with our guts? Well, a healthier gut environment means inflammation and a stronger immune system. Blueberries also contain a respectable amount of fiber, a crucial component for a healthy gut. This fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in our digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. So next time you're craving a sweet treat, why not reach for a handful of blueberries? Your gut will thank you. Remember, a handful of blueberries a day keeps gut problems at bay. Crunching its way to number 3, we have almonds. A humble nut packed with an impressive punch of fiber, almonds are a true delight for your gut. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about fiber? Well, fiber is the unsung hero of digestion. It adds bulk to your diet, helps food pass smoothly through your digestive tract, and encourages regular bowel movements. But the benefits of fiber don't end there. It also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in your overall health, influencing everything from your mood to your immune system. Almonds not only offer fiber, but also contain a substantial amount of protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, making them a well-rounded snack for gut health. So the next time you're feeling peckish, why not reach for a handful of almonds? So keep calm and crunch on some almonds for a healthy gut. At number 2, we have the green warrior, spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with fiber, it aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut environment. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium, iron, and manganese. These nutrients support overall health and boost your immune system, which is closely linked to gut health. Its high fiber content not only keeps your gut happy, but also keeps you feeling full, contributing to weight management. So, whether you're blending it into a smoothie, tossing it in a salad, or cooking it in a soup, make sure to include this green warrior in your diet. Remember, a spinach a day keeps gut issues away. And topping our list at number 1, we have the ultimate gut champion, kimchi. This fantastically flavorful Korean side dish is highly celebrated not just for its distinct savor, but also for the impressive benefits it holds for your gut health. Originating from centuries-old traditional Korean cuisine, kimchi is more than just a tangy, spicy delight for your palate. Let's delve into exactly makes kimchi such a superstar. At its core, kimchi is made from fermented cabbage and an array of other vegetables. The process of fermentation, apart from lending it its unique taste, results in a product that is teeming with probiotics. And these aren't just any probiotics, these are live and active microorganisms, friendly bacteria. These friendly bacteria, as we know, are the unsung heroes of our digestive system. They tirelessly work round the clock, maintaining the health of our gut. But the goodness of kimchi doesn't stop at just probiotics. The fermentation process leads to the formation of numerous beneficial compounds. These naturally occurring compounds work in harmony with the probiotics to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This balanced environment contributes to a strong immune system, improved digestion, and can even aid in weight loss. Now, the beauty of kimchi lies not just in its health benefits, but also in its usage. Kimchi is a versatile gem in the culinary world. It can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it a favored ingredient among chefs and home cooks alike. From adding that extra zing to a simple rice bowl, to transforming a gourmet sandwich into a flavorful masterpiece, kimchi can elevate not just the taste, but also the nutritional profile of your meals. An exciting blend of flavors, a powerhouse of gut-friendly ingredients, and an excellent companion to a variety of dishes, kimchi has rightfully earned its spot at the top. So spice up your meals with some kimchi for the ultimate gut health boost. Having journeyed through the world of gut-boosting foods, we hope you found our guide informative and inspiring. From exploring the importance of gut health to unveiling the top 5 gut-friendly foods, we've covered a lot of ground. And who can forget our ultimate gut champion, kimchi? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us reach more people with our health and wellness tips. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel. We have a plethora of information on various health topics that you don't want to miss out on. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which gut-boosting food is your favorite. Is it kimchi, or do you prefer another gut-friendly food? Your feedback helps us create content that caters to your interests and needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of your gut and it will take care of you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep eating healthy. Thanks for watching.